In this video, I'm going to show you how to get lower ping in Rocket League on PC using a simple and effective method. If you're dealing with lag spikes, unstable servers, high ping, or you just want smoother gameplay, this tutorial will help you fix that quickly. Rocket League automatically connects you to a region based on your location, but sometimes those servers are overloaded or just far from you. That's why your ping goes crazy. To fix this, we can use a VPN. By using a VPN, you can manually route your connection through a faster or closer server, which can actually lower your ping and give you a way more stable connection. I've tested multiple VPNs for gaming, but NordVPN consistently gives the best results for Rocket League. It has faster speeds, more stable connections, and way more nearby servers, which is exactly what you need for low ping. You can find the link in the description to try it at a great price while following along. Here's how to do it. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. Then follow along. After signing up, download the NordVPN app on your PC and log in. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a list of available locations. To lower your ping in Rocket League, you want to connect to the server closest to the game server you normally play on. For example, if you play on European servers, connect to Germany or the Netherlands. If you play on US East, choose a city close to your region. NordVPN also lets you switch to the NordLynx protocol in settings, which usually gives the lowest ping and fastest performance. Once you choose your location, click Connect. NordVPN will route your traffic through that server, giving you a potentially faster and more direct connection path. Now open Rocket League. Your ping should be more stable and in many cases noticeably lower than before. This method can also help reduce lag spikes if your ISP is routing your traffic inefficiently. NordVPN also includes features like threat protection, obfuscated servers for bypassing restrictions, and over 8,490 ultra-fast servers covering 129 countries worldwide. So you always have options to test out and find the lowest ping route. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great discount and start playing Rocket League with lower ping today.